Hey y'all, happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Let me set my camera. Hold on, y'all. All right, I think I got it. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Your girl is in the kitchen. Let me bring this down some. Bring it down just a little bit more. All right, so your girl is in the kitchen, right? And I'm getting ready to throw it down. Throw it down. I still think this is not so cussy. I'm gonna bring it up so. Trying to get it right. All right, so I have my food already prepped since yesterday, last night. I never got to bed until pretty much late. So your girl is gonna throw it down like all the way down. Let me not say listen, it's gonna go down. It is going all the way down, okay? So over here, so I have my ham. Okay. So this goes in the oven. I'm going to, however, make a little sauce for it. I think I did put the recipe in the description of the video I'm gonna put up last. But anyhow, yeah. This is gonna go in the oven. I also have my chicken. I bought a massive, huge roaster here, you guys, because I didn't want to do a turkey. Turkey is a hell to the gnaw for Thanksgiving. So this is, well, let me put it here so you guys could see really good. So this is hella seasoned. Let me turn it this way so you can see how seasoned this is. Look at that. That is seasoned all the way through. I did stuff it with 2 large onions. Is what I did, just to make it really simple. So this is already and set to go in the oven. Alright. That's going to be nice, right? So this is all going on the baking tray. We'll put that in. And then I have my rice and peas. Let me bring them up a little closer. Alright. We're going to move y'all, okay? We're going to move you. So you guys could see what I've been up to, right? Let's bring this down just a little tad more. Alright, so moving right along. Alright, so I have my peas. I'll put some, what do you call this? Salt beef in there. So we're going to make barefoot rice and peas. I have some garlic in there, some pimento seeds, and a little bit of ginger in there. So we're going to put that in the pressure and make it cook really fast. I have my oxtails here. That's been nicely seasoned, you guys. Look at my oxtail. Honey, baby. This is also going to go in the pressure because my attempt today is to make everything really fast. Quick. This is my curry chicken. That's also seasoned up from last night. I did use turmeric. Whenever I use curry powder, I use turmeric and a little bit of ginger in here. And then I have my goat meat also seasoned. Look at this. Look how that look good. Look how that look nice. Yeah. So that's also seasoned. I want me to say it well soaked right now. It's well soaked. Now in here, so we're gonna put this on the grill. I was gonna put it in the oven, but my husband wanted to put it on the grill. So we're gonna put the jerk chicken on the grill, and look at that, you guys. Talk about well marinated, right? So this is gonna go on the grill. I'm gonna put this over here. All right, and then coming back over here, I also we don't need a disaster today. Alright, so coming back over here, I have my brown stew chicken that I seasoned. Look at that. This is the brown stew chicken. I have to cut up the veggies now for sure, because I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking these babies. In here I have some fish. You're gonna fry these up nice and dry, and onion and pepper and escabeche business. Because I have to have some fish on the menu, right? We gotta have some fish on the menu. So this goes there, and then you guys, I have some very nicely seasoned ribs. So we're gonna also I think I'm gonna boil this first, and then I'm gonna pop it in the oven and bake it up. We're gonna do sticky barbecue ribs. Yeah, I was gonna do jerk, but nah. Look how that look good. Season. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. So yeah. So we have to do that. So the first thing I'm going to do is get the rice. I'm gonna get the rice and peas started first. We're gonna do the rice and peas, and we'll do the oxtail for the I'll put it in the pressure, and then we'll do the curry goat. We're gonna pop some things in the oven like right now. All of that. So things are gonna be moving really, really fast, like really, really fast. I already told you guys the other things that I'm gonna do that you didn't see here. This is just the meat kind part. I'm gonna do some candied yam, macaroni and cheese, potato salad, macaroni salad, steamed cabbage, fresh vegetables. I do have some sorrel over here, right here. So my sorrel has been going. I set it since last night. This is the dry sorrel. So what I did, I just boiled up some water real nice and hot and pour it in it and make it sit and put some ginger in it. So I'm gonna blend up this in a few minutes and have this. I'm not gonna bake any cake right now, but yeah, we're gonna get started with that. Also, I'm gonna do some cornbread as well. That should be interesting, right? You guys already know my cornbread recipe. I did list some of the menu on the video that I posted last night. But honey, I'm ready to cook. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my oven on, because you know something, this oven has to get started. I have to get started right now. It is pretty much 10:03 Eastern Standard Time. For those of you that don't know, I do live in Atlanta, right? So it's 10:03 a.m. in the morning. I did go to bed pretty late. Let's turn this baby on, because I'll go cook now. All right, so we need, I'll say we need 375 degrees of bacon heat. Okay, so our oven is going. So what I'm going to do right now is go in my garage, and I'm going to go in there and get my pressure cooker. I'm going to show them a pressure. If you guys don't have one of these kind of a pressure, then you're missing out on a lot. This pressure cooker I have, it cooks everything really, 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 really fast. Let me go ahead and get it. It's in my garage. All right, let's go pick this baby up. And this is the magic right here. So now I did do a review on this pressure, right? And I've been noticing in the comment section people have some weird things to say about what I didn't show them or what I didn't tell. Whatever I showed you guys is however I use this Faber burn. Alright, so I'll put my candle here, because when I'm cooking big like this, I always like to have candle burning in while I'm cooking. But this Faber burn is magic, okay? I don't have to give you perfect example of how I use this. I could only tell you what works for me. I'm not getting paid by these people to give you full details of everything that you could cook in your Faber burn. But what I could tell you, go ahead and purchase it and follow the manual what them say if you choose. or do like me, do what you want. But it was an extremely good investment. My husband bought this for me. And I think out of all the millions of gifts that my husband bought me, I think this was one of the best thing that he ever bought me. This thing I saw changed my life forever. Changed the way that I look at cooking forever. Okay? Because for some of you guys, you might not know, I don't only have a cooking channel. I have many other channels that I have here on YouTube. And I do have a life beyond the YouTube life, okay? So, this makes my cooking faster. It makes my cooking easy. It makes my cooking very simple. I use it how I use it. I don't go by all of this over fancy dancy thing. I just go ahead and hit the power, hit the plus sign, whether it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. I press it to whatever I'm cooking, and it works for me. Okay, that's it. That's all I could tell you guys. So if you guys are disagreeing with the way I use the Faber burn, what can I say? But happy Thanksgiving, right? All right, so I'm going to get started with the cooking. Like I said, I'm going to get started with the rice and peas first. And then we're gonna get the curry chicken and the other stuff ready. But in the meantime, that is going. I'm gonna start cutting up my vegetables for sure, and then we'll come back and show you the process. Right? We're not gonna show you everything. This video is gonna be broken up in a couple of pieces because, honey, baby, your girl is not trying to edit anything today. It's a busy day. My kids are gonna be here. It's gonna be a very small setting. But I want to cook a good amount of food that my kids could take food home, and that my husband will have food for days, because Thanksgiving, honey, I do not cook until like 4 days later. 4 days later, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and get that started. When we get into the process of the cooking and other them something, I will come back and I will show you guys. But like I said again, I'm going to break these videos down so you guys can see. Maybe even not think about go live now, but you know something? No, I don't think I'm gonna do that. I'll do that probably later on when my kids is here and everything and everybody's eating. I'll probably go live. But that is it, you guys, for now in this video. Let me get my thing going so that way I don't have to shift my camera because it's already too much. But I will give you guys some snippets, so check out the community wall for snippets on every single one of the recipes here today. Right? Again, you guys, happy Thanksgiving, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.